for the air glider experiment. I've already put some headings for the table, and I've put in the data that we collected when we did the experiment. First thing that I would do here, I would centralize these numbers. The table is hard to read like this because the numbers like this, these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are not centrally under the heading, so I'm going to make it all come in the center, and now it's much easier to read. The data is down directly under the headings. Makes more sense. First thing I want to do is get the average here, the average of the 3 times for this first row. So I'm going to put equals and then AVE. The machine assumes I want average, and then I can just click and drag to select those 3 cells, and here is the average for that first row. You can look up at this bar up here and you can see that it says, I'm not sure whether this shows my cursor, above the columns you can see in the white bar what the formula is in cell H9, and it says up in that bar equals average E9 to G9, which is what we want. I want an average of the other times as well, the other 3 rows, so I'm going to just click and drag, get the little black cross in the corner, drag it down, and now I've got the averages for all 4 conditions, all 4 rows. I'm going to centralize that so the numbers are directly under the heading. When it comes to the average acceleration column, which is about there, I'm going to go to using an equation now so I can get average acceleration. The equation that's involved here looks like this. Equation S equals half AT squared. There's what the letters represent. We rearrange that. This formula here, I'm going to just copy and paste that over and come back here. The formula, move that a bit, formula, and paste that so we've got it. Oh, didn't work. Just undo that. Okay, I just select all of those. Function delete gets rid of it, and I'll have to remember the formula. So into this one here, equals, it's 2s, so that's 2 times 1 meter, which is 2, divided by the time squared. So I'm going to put in a bracket. I'll say that's the time I want. Raise it to the power of 2, close the bracket, and there is my average acceleration for the first row. That was with 1 cell powering the fan. Once again, the little black cross in the corner drags the formula down, and now I've got all 4 accelerations. The numbers are a bit too long, too many decimal places, so I come up here and knock that back so that I've got that many, so 3 decimal places. And I like those numbers in the middle, straight under the heading. There's my average accelerations for this experiment.